This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by patpiper. Attractive, upgraded comfortable home with reverse floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry plus small bonus room perfect for office or craft room. Relax and enjoy the ocean views from your large covered upper deck, or enjoy the yard and garden from the spacious covered lower deck. Room for a garden in the backyard or just lots of room for your dog or cat to roam. The spacious master bedroom has an adjoining bathroom with a luxury walk-in jetted tub. Located in an attractive neighborhood with an easy walk to park and pool. For more information, review the details below or contact patpiper at 541-469-2143.